Hey friends, Miss Hendra here. All right, today we're going to talk about rhyming words. And so I'm going to read you a book and I'm going to tell you which words are rhyming. And so rhyming words are words that sound similar at the end. They sound the same at the end. All right, so let's look at this title of this book. Hey Diddle Diddle. It says, "Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle." Do you hear how diddle and fiddle sound the same? That's because they're rhyming words. They sound the same at the end. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun. The dish ran away with the spoon. So do you remember the word moon? Moon and spoon are rhyming words. They sound the same at the end. All right, this is a different version. It says, hey diddle doodle. Hey diddle doodle, the pipe and the poodle. So doodle and poodle are rhyming words. The frog hopped over the star. The big tiger roared to see such tricks. And the fork zoomed away in his car. So what was the word a minute ago on a page just before this that rhymed with car? Something that an animal jumped over. A star. So car and star are rhyming words. All right, guys, we're going to do more activities in the future with rhyming words. So this is just an introduction to rhymes. All right, guys, bye.